Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM coin holder? So what's going on? 0.17% the Stellar XLM price is pumps up. So I think that's really great news, my friend, for all of you, because after a jump, absolutely every coin will dumps down. And in previous days, my friend, you could see here, Stellar XLM is very badly falls down. So after that, as you can see, they were again starting pumping up, and many congratulations, my brothers, to Stellar XLM is recover all the loss and get a profit. You can see here there is not big difference. The highest price 0.3 USD dollar and the current price 0.37 USD dollar. So there is not big difference. Don't worry, I'm 100% sure today will recover more and more in upcoming days, because the price is totally pumping up. You can see here in 12 hour 1.74% they will get a profit. So I also can't expect this profit from Stellar XLM to in those days. Yes, my brother, in those days, because in previous days every coin will moving upward. This time they were very badly pens down, but Stellar XLM is continuously moving upward. So I think that is really great coin, my friend, for all of you now. Alright, Stellar XLM holders, so my prediction is 100% going positive, but some holders are doing very huge mistake. They cannot, my friend, understand price prediction. They are starting selling. So don't do this mistake. If you are starting selling, remember to you are doing very huge mistake. Please be safe from this huge mistake and hold it. I hope, my friend, if you starting selling at the end of month, they will give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching, holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.